And last but not the least, guys, you memorize all the Hashiras, know who's left to be unboxed. So ito siya. I got this from Mr. John Martin Casano, or yung nakadransa ko is yung wife niya, si Ma'am Rachel Ray. And before I made this video, tinanong ko muna sila if meron silang page. So meron, 4Piece Toy Store. So give them a like and follow, guys, sa Facebook, and check them out sa mga kanilang mga iba't ibang mga stocks. Marami din silang mga stocks, mga uncommon pops, yung mga rare. So check them out, guys. And this is Gyomei Himejima. He is the Stone Hashira, and I'm not quite familiar sa kanyang powers, guys. But I have seen videos na nagsasabi na siya daw yung pinakamalakas among sa kanila ng mga Hashiras. So I don't know exactly if that's true or not. Like I always say, I haven't watched a single episode, yung parang full talaga na episode, and I haven't seen their movies as well na pinapalabas sa mga sine. Pero this is Gyomei Himejima, and I believe meron itong parang mas ibang klaseng sticker, parang mas rare at mas mahal yung ganon. But I settled down sa mas medyo common since I only need the character para makompleto yung set. And may takeaway sa ganito. If ako ang papipiliin, I would have made this a 6-inch pop. Kasi among sa kanilang lahat, siya yung pinakamalaki in terms of size or height. Making him a 6-inch pop would have been symmetrically correct para sa akin. Kasi magandang scale yun based sa size niya among sa kanilang lahat. And shout out ulit kay Sir John Martin along with his wife, Ma'am Rachel. And once again, guys, check out their shop sa Facebook, 4Piece Toy Store. So this is Gyomei Himejima, the Stone Hashira.